Hi, how you doing? It's Adrian here from FMB Ireland. Thanks for watching. This short video is just about, um, it's a quick explanation about why I'm contacting you. Basically, this is a quick Google search for oil boiler replacement Dublin, oil boiler replacement in Dublin. And the reason I'm getting in contact with you is that you're not presently on page one of the results. So, I'm not trying to sell anything or pitch anything or twist any arms. What I am asking for is a couple of minutes of your time to talk to you about your business, see how busy you are. If you'd like more business, could you handle more business if there was more going? I can get your business on page one very quickly, and that means you'd have more phone calls and more inquiries coming. But that doesn't suit every business. Not everyone wants more customers. Maybe you're already under pressure. It's just a quick couple minutes of your time to find out if it's something that you'd be interested in, getting more customers, and if getting to page one of Google is something that might interest you. Not a sales pitch, no arm twisting, I promise, just to get an idea of what your thoughts are on it. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.